We'll guide you through how to perform ChatGPT video analysis using the latest tools and features available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official ChatGPT website on your desktop and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project dashboard where you can see various options for analysis. Look for the tab labeled Video Analyses and click on it. This will open up a new interface specifically designed for analyzing video content using ChatGPT's capabilities. Next, you need to upload the video file you want to analyze. Click on the Upload Video button and select the file from your computer. Make sure your video is in a supported format like MP4 or MOV for smooth processing. After your video is uploaded, you'll see a range of analysis options. You can choose to analyze the video's audio, visuals, or both. For a comprehensive analysis, select both audio and visual options. Then, click on the Start Analysis button. ChatGPT will begin processing the video, extracting key insights, and generating a detailed report. This might take a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your video. Once the analysis is complete, you'll receive a summary that includes sentiment analysis, keyword extraction, and even scene-by-scene breakdowns. You can download this report as a PDF or CSV file for further review. If you want to refine the analysis or focus on specific aspects, you can adjust the settings in the Analysis Options tab and rerun the process. This flexibility allows you to tailor the analysis to your specific needs, whether you're looking for marketing insights or content optimization. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.